right, everybody. Welcome to the School Foods Rocks Test Kitchen. Today we're making a delicious spicy orange turkey with fried rice. This product is featuring our fully cooked Butterball thigh roast. This is available commercially or through commodity processing. Our spicy orange sauce is made with a blend of Kikkoman gluten-free orange sauce and gluten-free Sriracha sauce with some fresh orange juice for that extra freshness. Some talking points for the fried rice. We highly recommend that you make this rice a day ahead of time. It makes for a better product. It comes together quickly in the braising pan or stovetop by combining all the rice, the diced carrots, onions, peppers, celery, eggs, garlic, ginger, and Kikkoman less sodium soy sauce. For the spicy orange turkey, we have the cooked thigh roast product already done. We had this in the combi oven for 20 minutes. Incredibly easy to shred after it is hot. Makes for a very convenient way to make in bulk. We are going to build this dish in a very, very easy way by combining all of our steamed vegetables with our fresh orange juice, our Kikkoman gluten-free orange sauce, and finishing it with our Kikkoman gluten-free Sriracha. Talking 1, 2, 3 prep process, folks. Mix this well together to make a binder for your turkey roast. You can take a 6-ounce spoodle for your turkey. Makes for a perfect portion of protein combined with the sauce and vegetables. When I said it was simple, fast, and easy, it is. Once the roast turkey is nice and combined with our sauce and vegetables, we can talk assembly of the product. A 6-ounce spoodle again with your fried rice will give you a perfect portion. Level it out, flatten it out. You already know this is portioned correctly because of how we mixed it. You can go the roast turkey product right to the side, maybe a little bit on top of our rice. Garnished with some fresh green scallions. There you go, guys. This is your spicy orange turkey over fried rice.